Hey everybody, gonna kind of go over a few tips on replacing your fence. I've seen on YouTube a bunch of different videos on fence rebuilding and building. So I'm gonna kind of show you a few different tips on what you can do to replace your fence if they're deteriorating. So let me show you kind of how my fence has been looking. Okay, all right. So if you have fence posts that kind of look like this. Here, so we kind of see it's rotting out from the bottom, and this is kind of normal, I guess, especially if you have this really dry ground here, and you have ants and stuff like that in your yard, and you're constantly trying to kill your ant infestation. They'll start to eat away at your posts. So one way to build your post is to build your fence is to take out the post, re-dig out a post hole, and then place another one by concreting in, just as you see here. Re-concreted this post and it's solid. It looks great, it's all good to go. I'm building this part right here. But if you have posts that I guess aren't that bad, or they just kind of need a little bit more support over the years, they kind of lean, or the concrete kind of gives away because the ground does change, and it settles over the years. So I'm gonna show you what else you can do as well. So you can also use your posts, and then you get one of these fence menders. I had to hammer this thing in here, and it's actually about, I think, 2 feet total. So you're only seeing about a foot of that. So the other like foot or a foot and a half, maybe, I think it might be about 3 feet long. I don't know, it's pretty long. But you're only seeing a small part of this fence mender because the other like 2 feet of it is underground. So I actually hammered about a foot or foot and a half. I can't remember, but it's a lot. So and this is solid as hell now. Like, this shit ain't going. This ain't going anywhere anytime soon. So that's kind of a way you can build your fence. As you can see, I've done that for a few of these posts. Saves a lot of time and money, I guess. Yeah, so also going to show you kind of how to remove your fence too. So you can see here, your fence is going to be cut out into usually like 8-foot sections. That's pretty typical. You're going to have an 8-foot section. So if you're like me and kind of like to get things done quickly, and if you don't I don't know, want to spare a friend or a buddy, you don't want to have to buy them beer or pizza, whatever, have them come out, you can just do this by yourself. And so I'm going to show you guys kind of how to literally do a fence by yourself without having any help, because replacing the fence requires you to remove and dispose of your old fence, which actually is quite a bit of work. So cutting these out, I use a sledgehammer, just kind of beat out the fence, then I unscrew any screws that are in the posts, and then once I take the section out, I actually have the 8-foot section, and I cut them in half into like 4-foot sections here. Okay, so I cut them all the way in half here. Okay, and then this kind of allows me to single-handedly pick up the fence and take it to my truck. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. You see here, I'm literally can hold this with one hand, and I'm not that strong of a guy, I got a little bit of strength on me, but anybody can do this. You just put it and prop it on your back, and then boom, I'm mobile. And so I'm going to take you with me, because I can hold it with one hand, and take this to my truck. Here we go. truck's right here. So just gonna put her right there. And I just kind of prop it right on my bed like that. And with one hand, move this bad boy into my truck. So here we go. Just one hand. There we go. Ugh. Alright, there you have it. That's kind of it. So I literally moved that fence section with literally just one hand. I had my phone in my other hand pretty much the entire time. So I can do it, you can do it. So anyways, I still have this section to do. So I have to dig out 3 post holes here. So I'm actually going to build a gate. So I'm going to re-dig out this post hole. Going to dig one out right here. And I'm going to take this one out. Obviously it looks like straight poop. This is bad. So taking this out and this section out. And then I'm going to build a gate here. I'm going to have a nice gate to connect my house to this road here, which is the back of my home. Should look pretty nice. So, alright, got to get to work. And if you have any questions or comments, or if you need help with anything, please leave a comment below, and I will try to assist you in my best way possible. Thank you. My name is Clayton. You have a good day.